Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create button with movie symbol. Let's create the circle first. Choose the oval tool and choose the color. Okay, and with holding shift key drag the mouse to create circle. Okay, I want to change the position here because we will create movie also. Okay, this is it, and let's first convert to symbol. Button symbol first, button and button symbol. Okay, double click on it and now we are in button symbol. Okay, now select the over effect, insert keyframe and modify convert to symbol and type is movie clip. Hover effect, or you can write any name. Hover effect, double click on it. Okay, now we are create anything. Insert keyframe on second number frame, third number frame same way, fourth, and this is fifth. Okay, now I want to take brush tool here. This is brush tool and I want to change color, not tips. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we are on frame number 1. Let's create something like this. You can do anything like this. I like to do. You can use brush inside this also. Third frame. You can create anything creative here, or anything, any animation that you want to create. This is very simple. Okay, now let's go to scene 1 and for testing movie control and enter. Okay, it's nothing here. Okay, I'm going to take my mouse over this button. Yeah, here it is. Okay, it's fine. Let's create the movie also. Insert keyframe on 20th frame and click anywhere and create classic twin on frame number 5. Use selection tool on frame number 5. Okay, 10 and 15 and on 20 it's on its place. Okay, that's it, and change the FPS frame per second. I would like to take 10 only, and let's test this movie. Control and enter. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, let's catch it. Okay, so this is it. This is the button with movie symbol. Okay.